Victims of the devastating tornado that struck Newnan last month have a long road to recovery ahead. Several homes suffered severe damage, leaving residents scrambling. As Fox 5's Deidre Dukes reports, a local karate instructor is doing what she can for a family there who lost everything.
The Payton's Newnan home was reduced to rubble when that EF4 tornado struck here nearly 2 weeks ago. Now members of the community are helping them get back on their feet.
1, 2.
From the moment 5-year-old Kensley walked into Madeline Haskins' karate studio, there was an instant connection. So when Haskins learned the girl and her grandparents had lost everything in the tornado, she leapt into action.
And so we wanted to come together for her.
This is a view of the destruction from Skyfox drone. The Newnan family and their neighbors suffered some of the worst damage. The Paytons had lived in the residence on Colonial Drive for 16 years. Kensley lost her mother recently and lived here with her grandparents. Aaron Payton was at work, Mary home with Kensley when the tornado struck. Miraculously, the woman and child escaped unharmed, but the family's house was destroyed.
She was in there about an hour before a neighbor down the street came up and helped her out.
As news of the devastation spread, staff at Karate of Atlanta began checking on students and their families.
When the tornado happened, we reached out to all of our students saying, hey, please check in, is everyone okay? And they were the only ones who lost everything.
Staff at the karate school rallied around the family, a local church and businesses also stepping in to help during this difficult time. Haskins started a GoFundMe page to help the family cover expenses while they work to get back on their feet. If you'd like to help, you can find more information on our website at fox5atlanta.com. In Newnan, Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.